In this video, we will be showing you how to properly fit the Corflex Contender Post-Op Light version. We start out by sliding this under the patient's leg. From here, you can adjust the length. With the unlock being to move it, with the lock, it will not move. All four can move. In this video, we're going to adjust it all the way down to the ankle. You're going to follow the same on this side. Making sure you do both lengths the same. Next, you'll starting at the strap on top of the calf. Pull this out, strap in, pull it tight. We'll cut the strap and reapply the alligator tabs. Next, you'll come down here. Same thing, buckle in, tighten this down. We will trim, reattach alligator straps. Moving up to the thigh. Strap. Adjust, trim, reattach alligator straps. Then you'll come to the top thigh, repeating the same thing. Adjusting, trim, reattach alligator strap. From here now you have fit the straps. You can then go to the portion for adjusting the range of motion. This is done by pressing down and then sliding to the desired degree. Once you get your desired degree, you'll then put the lock in there to keep it from getting bumped or moved. You have a drop lock hinge as well. Repeat on both sides. From here you do the final fitting. You'll take these off, pull tabs, reattach. And that's how you fit the Corflex Post-Op Knee Brace Light. Okay, the key features with this brace are that all four cuffs are able to move. Just with the lock and unlock, you'll play the unlock position, slide down. Again, the same, this strap. Also, this can be customized to the patient's leg to bend it. With that one, you'll just line up on the table the notches, and you can then bend out. This lightweight features help with limited migration.